Hi everybody, it's LaDonna with the Painted Ivy. I wanted to invite you into my home tonight so we can do a little crafting. I'm just going to set my comments up on my page so I can see you. When you log in, let me know you're here, say hi, and we're going to bling in with some crafts tonight. I hope everybody is having a good day and enjoying this week so far. I am going to kind of kick off the holiday season early. Don't worry, we're not going to go full-blown Christmas around here. I just have a couple little things I want to show you. I have these board and bases, and it's reversible. And it works really nice for, hi Tim. It works really nice to put designs on, and I could put something on this side, for example, for Thanksgiving, and this side for Christmas, or maybe Christmas and New Year's. So today we're going to work on Christmas and New Year's, and then we're going to get back to our fall stuff tomorrow. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay my, let's do the Christmas one first. We're going to do Noel, and it is just a cute little transfer. Now, I sell everything I make, so you can either buy these from me or you can private message me, and I will be glad to tell you how you can acquire the transfers and the paste to make these at home for yourself. These are really nice hostess gifts. If you're going to holiday parties and things, think ahead, and they're not very expensive. It is a great value for doing your own home decor. One thing I really like about these products is because the paste is water soluble, you could wash this off after Christmas and you could decorate. For example, if you're doing a fall decor, you could wash it off on both sides. You could put Thanksgiving, wash it off. You could use it again for Christmas. You get the point. So it's very versatile for the uses, and it is a really nice product. I'm going to stir up my red paste a little bit because I want to put some red on the berries here. Hi Lisa. I want to put some red on the berries, and then I'm going to excuse me, I'm going to do everything else kind of. I'm just going to use 3 colors and 1 on the back. So we're going to make it really quick and a really easy project. Now this is a beautiful color. It's called Garden Herb. I want you to see this. This is just, isn't that a pretty color? And so I'm going to stir it up so you can see the color really well. Look how beautiful this color is. Just looks like leaves. It's just gorgeous. So we're going to use this for the holly on our picture. So I'll just set this aside. I got a tickle in my throat. Okay, we're going to start with the red, and I'm just going to do the berries. I'm going to use my little tool here and carefully, because it is a tight little area, this tool works really well. And these are silk screen products that I've run across. I've always enjoyed art and home decor, things like that, and this just seemed to be a really awesome product for me, and I love the versatility of it. It's just been really nice, and I have so much fun using this. Okay, now we're going to start with the green, and I'm going to show you just how quick and easy you can do this at home. Let me scrape it off. You see how little I used? Okay, now we're going to do the white, and I've pre-stirred my white so that I wouldn't have a lot of time spent on it. I'm just going to scrape it across. And then we're going to scrape up the excess. Put it back in our jar. Okay, let's pull it up and see what we have here. Look how beautiful. Hold on one second. Let's set that aside. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Now that's going to make a really nice sign to go in my living room if somebody doesn't buy it. So I'm just going to hit it with a blow dryer real quick. Nice and dry. Look. Now it's hard. It's not going to come off. So we're going to flip this over and we're going to work on the other side. Let me close up my paste. We're going to do the other side in all white. And then I'm going to show you how easy it is to display. Hi Stacy. Welcome to the Painted Ivy. I missed you, girl. Now I just want to double check and make sure I did this. Yep, I want to make sure I had them both going the same direction. I'm just going to smooth it out. You know, this would be beautiful. Had I thought I would have ordered some gold, this would have been beautiful to do in gold. Now, while I'm spreading this and scraping my paste off, I do want to tell you I have some specials going on my VIP page. I encourage you to go look at it. They're only 3 days only, and then I'm going to have another little offer going on in there. I offer a lot of things, not just products and stuff, but I want you to go look and check it out. It's at VIP The Painted Ivy. I will post a link on the top of the video when I'm done, and then you can go see what's going on in there. Okay, so when we're done, we take this is side B, here's side A, we put it in our little stand, and you can set it on the shelf. Noel, and then when the holiday comes, time for New Year's, flip it around, bling in the new year. You guys, these are really nice home decor products you can make for yourself. If you want to know how to do this, or if you're an entrepreneur and you want to learn how to make money at home and you like crafts, this has been really nice for me and lucrative. I would invite you to send me a private message. Let me show you something else. We have these holiday magnets, and kids want to get together and make some little crafts and stuff. You can put these on them. They come with a squeegee and a little bit of paste. Message me and see how you get the little sample try me kits to try out the product for yourself. Again, my name's LaDonna. I thank you very much for joining me tonight and spending a few minutes of your evening with us. And you guys have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.